Hello, very warm greetings from Mongolia. I am Zina Amarjargal. I am an executive director of Mongolian Extensive Reading Association. Today, I want to present you a very short presentation. What is the role of MERA in Mongolia? So let me start my presentation here. So this is my preferred slide. We are Mongolian Extensive Reading Association is a very young affiliate of Extensive Reading Foundation. And what do we do here? So first, I want to introduce you the organizational structure. We have board, we have an executive officer. Under the working group, we organize in the different kinds of events and activities to expand the extensive reading in Mongolia. We have a pilot project which is based on a school to engage students to read the graded reading, and we are measuring the targeted students. These are the one kind of activity. We have trainings, we have networking, lots of things included this structure. Let me move the next slide, which shows that trainings and workshops we organizing here. Members are benefiting to engage, to participate the trainings and workshop free charge, but non-members can be participate with the payment, but that is our policy of MERA. So National Facilitator Seminar is once a year, and we listen a lot of experiences from the individuals, teachers and readers, and we guaranteed them to present the extensive reading to the local level and regional level under the name of MERA. This is the very important seminar. Who certificated by this seminar? They are our local representatives. So this one is only once a year with the certain trainees. And next training is a data analyst course. What we are aiming to cover this course, of course, the readers need to be measured, some of the progress of reading, and parents, school authorities, and some educational agencies really would like to see the difference between the extensive readers and non-readers. So this one is more assessment and review training methodology, practical training. And next one is the instructors course, admin teachers of the Lingers X-reading students, teachers receiving some instruction, setting goal together, and sharing some motivation, working the business plan together, and giving some coach program here. And this one is quarterly we engage, and also we announcing who is the best admin teachers who can get the prize next quarter. This one is the really internal meeting, and yearly we are planning the big event to gather all the readers and teachers together, share the experience, and building the network. Next one, I want to share you in Mongolia, the readers, extensive readers number are growing, and social media is playing the important role on this. And we established extensive reading Mongolia page group, Facebook private group, and challenging them to post some creative ideas, many brilliant actions, what they have changed and what really works and what really doesn't work. This one is really a good page. And also the private groups on Facebook group that involves in parents, how the high school and college students are growing their English skill, engaged with the extensive reading activities. In other hand, Mongolian Extensive Reading Association, MERA, has our own page group, and through the page group we given the promotion of the extensive reading related podcasts, lives, and announcements, and some best practices. So we reach out to the readers through this social media. And now I want to tell you some of the brochures and promotions delivered to institutions and teachers. Those need more information about MERA. And this is the end of my presentation, and I want to make my conclusion that MERA is setting the statement of the organization. MERA is getting to know the more experiences from other affiliates of extensive reading foundation, and we are equipping teachers and readers with a guide on extensive reading, and we are building internal and external relationship among the training centers, institutions and schools, college and universities, those having the intensive English program. And because to giving them this extensive reading approach, to combine the intensive approach and extensive approach are really the sides of the English learning improvement. So this is the all I prepared to share you, and thank you very much for your attention, and I will be happy to receive many questions and also comments and feedback from you. Thank you very much.